Hey y'all, so today's Saturday. Haven't picked up the camera in a couple of days. I wasn't really doing much, but so today we're gonna go to a food festival. My friend Emily is gonna have a table set up there because she has a candle business, so I'll link her business down below if y'all want to check it out. Candles are freaking amazing. So I'm gonna buy some candles, and I made some bracelets for her to give out to her customers. And yeah, I'm just excited. I'm going with my mom and my friend Michaela. You have met Michaela. She went on the cruise with me. But yeah, we're gonna go and we're gonna have a good time. Mom is gonna bring us tamales. Yeah.
Yes.
Tamales.
Tamales.
Before we go.
There we go.
Michaela's here. So we're on our way now. Our ETA is an hour and 14 minutes.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah. It'll be fun. It's like a food festival in the haunted house, and I'm so excited.
I want some food.
You look so comfy.
Oh yeah.
Let's see if we can find where exactly we gotta go, because I have absolutely no clue.
Do you want me to look it up on maps?
I mean, it says we're here because it's inside the mall, but inside the mall where? So look how cute, toe bags.
So it's kind of like little trees, but it's in a diffuser. So if you open it, take this out, put it back, then you just twist it like that, and the smell comes out through
Big on like
Hey vlog, this is Emely.
Hi vlog.
This is her company. It's so freaking cute. I'm gonna put the link in the bio below, but go check her out. Show us some of your stuff.
So I have body scrubs, fan favorite. I have these soaps. I have these room sprays that I like because you make your bed and then you just spray it. Saves you on laundry.
Yes.
And then we have the infamous candles that my mom makes the jars out of.
So nice. Yeah.
And the crack diffusers that everyone loves,
They're so pretty.
but no one understands.
Yeah,
Yeah, I was
you were just
confused.
explaining to her.
Well, because she said you take the thingy out and then you twist it and then it comes out of the top.
Yeah.
Oh.
But I still want to get one. Okay.
Influencers at work here.
Trying, working hard.
So we're online to get some lemonade.
This better be some really good lemonade because this line is very long.
There's a long line for lemonade. It's crazy, but it comes in a big ass like container. You'll see when Michaela gets it. We finished getting stuff from Emily's candle company, Elymar Elymar Candle Company. Paul later, so y'all can see what we got.
Chris G.
My gosh.
Good.
This is the best corn I've ever had.
Wow. That went
We got strobes, we got fog. Lastly, and most importantly, don't touch the actors won't touch you. Any questions?
Oh my god. Okay, thank you. And?
You're gonna go straight to the end and then make a right.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Why am I first? Why am I going first? Oh shit.
I don't wait, I'm scared.
Mommy. I can't see a single thing. I can't see anything. the freaking. Ew. You got it. Hey girl. Why can't I see a single thing? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow, some yummy gooey stuff. Oh my
Yeah.
Smell the
Que huele, huele, que lo
Ay,
huele.
qué rico huele. Después
Smells good. Smell it. Smells good. Very good.
Ay, qué rico.
Can we go past now? Oh my god! No, please! Why? Oh my god, you're so scary!
Muy bonita chica. Primera.
Do you want to go first?
Esa es.
I can't breathe.
Ay, qué bacano. Me encanta el miedo.
Oh god.
Cállate.
Okay. We have to go back in? What? Oh, I don't like this. Oh my god, I'm dying. Where do I go? Where do I go? This way, this way, this way. I can't breathe. All right.
I almost threw up. I dropped my purse and Voldemort was chasing me because I went to go back to get it.
Okay, y'all, we're going back home now. We got Starbucks. I got a pumpkin spice latte. My mom got a caramel latte. And I got a brownie. And Michaela got the... What did you get again at Starbucks? The
Pumpkin cream
chai
latte. Something around that.
Yeah. What do you rate it?
So sorry to say this because I know you love it. I probably rate it like a 7.
That's not a bad rating though.
Okay, I mean like it's really good, but I feel like I don't taste the coffee. Like I know it's a latte, but
Yeah.
I think maybe if I didn't want coffee, I would have been like more in love with it. But I really want coffee, like strong coffee. But it's really good though. Like the cream on the top. I think
The
if you
pumpkin
get this,
cold foam
go
cream
ahead.
is so good.
Yeah. And I think if you get this and you don't like it, let it melt. Because once it melted and it all like combined, it's actually really good.
Yeah. Then we should have gotten more like espresso shots.
Yeah, that's actually a good idea.
I'm back home. Let me show y'all what I got from Elymar Candle Company. My water bottle. Okay. So we've got 2 pumpkin harvest candles. Smell so good. I'm literally gonna light one up today. And another pumpkin harvest. I got this big one for my sister. And one for me and then one for my boyfriend. So that's why I got so many of the same ones, because they're not all for me, but you know, I'm getting it for more people and I know they'll like that scent. Make sure to go check out her company. I'll put the link in the description down below. And here's just some candle care instructions. My mom got this car diffuser. It is so cute. She explained how it worked, but I'm not sure. And I was gonna put it in the car so I can show y'all. Maybe tomorrow I'll go downstairs and show y'all how it works. So make sure to go check her out. The food festival was so fun. The haunted house as you see in the clips. Just a bunch of screaming. It was so freaking funny. I'm so glad they let me record. I asked if I could record, and they were like, they didn't get the guy said they didn't give us any instructions on videography, so I don't care. Which was great, you know. Thanks so much for watching this week's vlog. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.